What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick one for you. My white C43 over here. When it was raining really hard, and, I was having fun, acting dumb and stuff like that, and it was raining. This wheel bearing over here started squeaking a little bit, which I had the same thing happen on the driver's side like a year ago. Yeah, like a year ago. And it was the seal in the back of the wheel bearing. In the hub there, the seal in the back started kind of letting water in, so moisture was getting in there and it was just making it squeal. Replaced the seal on that side, repacked the bearings with grease, and then everything was good. So we're gonna go ahead and go again with this one too. Man. All right, so what you're gonna do next, you gotta take the brake off. You can just take it off on the bracket on the back. Let me see. Okay, bam, right here. And then the one on top, right above the brake line there. Slide that all off and hang it, and then we'll take this cap off. And then from there, there'll be, I believe it's a number 5 hex, like Allen bolt, or a Allen key bolt. And I'll show you when we get there. All right, guys, it's gonna be at 18. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen them up. Dang, those are on tight. That's the way I like them. All right, let's see if my electric ratchet can do the job. Green battery. Sweet. Oh yeah, Loctite. Okay. Okay. Got a hex bolt right here. That's holding on the rotor. That's a 5 as well. Make sure it goes in all the way because these like to round. Okay. Got a nice tool like this, a hammer of your choice. I'll grab my smaller hammer. All right. $5mm locking bolt. Locks on the axle nut. This is like really, guys, like hand tight. So when you put this on, you're gonna have to like put it on, check for play, put the wheel on and everything, check for play. And but you can see it got all black and stuff. Let's give you some more lighting. The grease is like all black. Water's definitely gotten in because I've repacked this once. But yeah, all right, let's carry on. It's definitely a really dirty job, guys. I need to get a rag. Okay. Wonder if I can turn that by hand. Nope, not quite. This side towards the bearing. this side to the bearing. Tapered bearing will fall out, but you gotta, yeah, see, look at the seal's all toast over here. This seal has seen better days. It's all black in there. Give you some light. Look at that nice grease. Nice black grease up in there. It's all water. Make it squeal. But all right. I'm gonna get this out, kind of wipe it down, and then we'll pop the seal off and go from there. The bearing looks really good. Japanese bearing. Okay. There's some slight scoring, but I'm not really gonna be worried about it. I'm gonna clean where the seal goes really well. Okay. All right, let's go to a bench somewhere. Tempted to go put this in the vise real quick. There it goes. Make sure it's not, I'm not all the way at the end, so I'm not scoring it. A little bit out, and then I just smack it. Got it out a little bit, and then just kind of beat it inward. I'm sure you could probably get a puller of some sort, but I don't got it. Look at all that gook. I am going to emery cloth, like this, where the seal goes. Just this outer lip in here, not the bearing race. It was a little rusted and stuff like that. Obviously, when it goes in the tapered side down, doesn't really go that way. I'm sure you could jam it if you wanted to. Literally just gonna keep pushing it through here, through this line in here. It'll squeeze out. And then I like to get it on the other side as well. This is a very dirty job. Well, I'm gonna pack the other one real quick. Don't want to waste this grease. Make sure you pack that big bearing, the rear one, and put it in the hub before you put the seal on. Don't ask me why I know that. Nah, it's because I freaking wasted a brand new seal already once. Okay. Alrighty, so bearings in the right way. Beautiful. Alrighty. Got this one already packed, so let's go back to the vehicle. Shoot, where'd my rag go? Okay. To the bearing. I'm just seating the bearings right now. Turning clockwise and turning this counterclockwise. If this is too tight, it won't, I mean, it'll squeal. It can squeal really loud when you're driving. And it's really tough to say if it's good until you put the wheel on and everything. I guess we're gonna try that. I'm not sure what the torque rating is on this, but like not crazy. But definitely don't let it come off. That's probably good right there. Damn, my headlight's dead. Okay. Get some Loctite. There was already blue on there, so I'm just gonna keep it going. I've seen way too many caliper bolts. Too many vehicles come in shops with missing caliper bolts. Ooh, it's a little much. My tip is like plugged. Really helps to wiggle the caliper back and forth when trying to get caliper bolts in, especially these bracket ones. Okay, let's get some, go. There we go. Okay. So it's gonna be still hard to tell until you got the wheel on, because the rotor is gonna move. So let's go ahead and put that wheel on. Don't mind this wheel. These set of wheels need to be repainted. Got one more here, but it's stuck in the socket because I forgot they were spline drive locking lug nuts, or whatever you want to call them, lug bolts. So yeah, feels good. All right, well, I should have popped the center cap off, so I could have that's what I was supposed to do, so I can pop this. So don't do what I did. Now I gotta take the wheel back off, but take the star out, so then you can pop the center cap, the bearing cover cap back on. Okay, now I get to put the wheel back on. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's all she wrote. You know what I mean? But pretty easy job. The seal, taking the seal out is kind of a little bit of a pain. I'm sure having the right tools for the job really help, but sometimes you just don't have it, so there it is without having the right tool. So yeah, I got to torque this wheel. I got a lug nut stuck. I totally forgot it was freaking spline drive, and I went ahead and did that. So I got to get that out, and we'll put that back on there, and then yeah, other than that, thanks for tuning in, guys. That's a 1998 C43 AMG. Pretty much repacking wheel bearings and replacing the seal on the hub. So there you have it. You got any questions, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you know when the new stuff drops. We're gonna be moving here pretty damn soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Other than that, we out. Deuces.